Welcome to day 6 of the Advent of Logos 2024. Hello world, I am Ivana and today we're designing a logo for day 6, even though I just finished wrapping up day 5, but that's okay. Today we're designing a logo for an Asian fusion inspired food truck. Let's read the brief. Okay, so from the randomized pile of briefs that I had written down that it's a caravan fast food place, whatever. But eventually ChatGPT generated a brief for a food truck, and the one that I chose was called the Rolling Wok. And the Rolling Wok is a dynamic food truck specializing in Asian-inspired street food. The menu includes a vibrant selection of wok fried dishes, bao buns, ramen bowls, dumplings, and sushi burritos. The name Rolling Wok reflects the mobility and vibrancy of the food truck combined with the heart of the kitchen, the wok. The founders were inspired by the bustling street food scenes of Bangkok, Tokyo, and Hong Kong, where woks sizzle with creativity and flavor. The ideal customer is a busy professional or student who loves flavorful, authentic food with a contemporary edge. They're likely foodies who enjoy sharing their culinary experiences on social media and are drawn to the fun, approachable vibe of food trucks. And I want to also read you the visual preferences that ChatGPT generated. A vibrant and playful logo featuring a wok or chopsticks as the centerpiece. The design should incorporate stylized flames or motion lines to emphasize energy and dynamism. A bright, energetic colors like fiery red, orange, and yellow combined with contrasting black or dark gray for sophistication. I read you the visual preferences because exactly after I read the brief, I imagined something like that, right? You first imagine like a wok, a stylized wok maybe, and some lines that make it like it's rolling or something. I even sketched some of these ideas over here, like this one, or this one. But I decided to go another way, and I'm going to show you now what I did. So first of all, I wanted to say that I googled bustling streets of Bangkok, Hong Kong, or whatever, and this is what came up. I don't know if it's a real photo or AI generated because it looks a little bit fake, but I don't know. I really liked how it looks with the neon signs. And on the other hand, I did look for some Asian-inspired fonts online just to see what could be possible or what would I like that could fit with the inspiration from this image. And so I really liked this one down here called Frigate. And this is the font. I really like how it looks, and I like how it has different widths for the letters. Like it has thin lines, but it has all of these big, it's not lines anymore if it's so big, right? But yeah, it looks so good. And so I took inspiration from those two. And I was thinking to make, obviously, a neon-inspired logo that will obviously go as a neon sign on the food truck. And so I started creating these letters that would look like W, O, and K, and see what I could come up from there. And I wanted to make the different widths, like I said, from this font inspired. And in the end, it looks like this. First, it had only these straight edges here, but then I also rounded these inner edges a little bit, and this is the finished version. This spells wok. And then I didn't know which, I didn't want to use a serif font. I decided to use a sans serif font for the rolling, because I think there is just a smaller emphasis on it. The wok is the more important part. In the end, this is the end result with the neon signs, and I didn't know exactly which color to choose, so I have like a neon yellow orange, a neon magenta, purple, pink, whatever, and a neon blue. And I think all of them could work maybe in different settings or in different nights, because they could have maybe special nights with this particular cuisine from maybe this country, or a rotating menu that has these particular dishes only this month, for example. I don't know. And on the other hand, I wanted this place to be Instagrammable. And so I thought maybe to put more, a little bit more neon. But in the end, I don't know. I think it still looks fine, but maybe it's too much. However, when I put it on a photo for like how a food truck would look, this looked really well. I don't know, however, if it's taken away from the wok in this case, but we can figure it out if we ever go into making this food truck together at some point. But yeah, I think it looks good. And then from these letters, we can maybe make other letters. And I've made this menu here that it says. I do want to make a design for a real menu, maybe, if I have more time in the future. And yeah, this is the prototype for these letters here. And it seems I'm in a little bit of a futuristic neon mood this past week. And so this is why, again, I'm putting up neon-inspired logo. But this is it, how I imagined it. I think it will be very Instagrammable when we're there, especially during the night. Yeah, bright, vibrant. I can imagine the smells that come from this truck even now. So yeah, I hope you liked this video and day 6 of the Advent of Logos. Leave some Asian food inspired emoji in the comments down below, just for me to see if you've reached this point. If you're interested to see the rest of the videos for the Advent of Logos, there will be in the playlist up here. And please like and subscribe, you know, the regular stuff. Thanks so much for watching, and bye!